Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be showing you another way to make a healthy smoothie. Oh yeah, what I will making today. Hey! In today's video, I will be doing a pineapple mango smoothie. Oh yes. So to make the smoothies, I will be using two main ingredients, which are loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. And you can actually make this smoothie and share with your loved ones and your family. Oh yes. So I am cutting the pineapple. I have the pineapple cut, and I will be blending this pineapple with some of the mango juice that I already bought from the store. So let's cut the pineapple into the blender. I'll be doing this in two batches because it's not gonna fit into my blender all at once. So I have the pineapple now. So I will be blending the pineapple with a glass cup of this smoothie mango. Yay! All right, let's pour that down. So I had a bit of the mango into it. Then I continue to add some of the pineapple into the blender. Oh yes. So that is done now. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to blend this first batch of the smoothie. This smoothie is very yummy, and it's also loaded with a lot of nutrients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, everything that you need to stay healthy. Oh yes. And I believe your family is going to love this, especially your loved ones. They're going to love this humilicious, wonderful smoothie. Oh yes, this is done. Let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this first batch into this container. Oh yeah, that is yummy. Can you see that? So thick and so yummy. Oh yes, let's pour it into the second container. Very yummy. Wow, that is done. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go ahead and blend the second batch. Oh yes, don't forget the reason why I had to do this in two batches is because my blender cannot fit into everything at once. Oh yeah, so this is ready. All right, let's go. So now I'm just putting the pineapple into the blender. Oh yes, good job, Cecelia O World. Always making a wonderful, humilicious, healthy recipe. Good for the family, good for everyone. Yes. So I added the mango smoothie into that. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to blend. So I'm blending the second batch. Wow. This is so yummy. And by the way, the blender I'm using is called Vitamins. It's one of the good blender out there. So this is done. All right, let's pour this down. So I have my glass cup. I have my ice. I pour some ice into this. And now I'm just going to have this. Can you see that? That is done. Very thick and so smooth. Wow. This is done. Imagine you having this on a very sunny afternoon and just have this in your glass with some ice. All right, this is ready. My family, thank you so much. This is done. Try this recipe out and let me know what you think. You can actually use a fresh mango and some water to make this juice with a pineapple. All right, this is Cecelia O World trying to taste it. This is super yummy. So I took the first gulp, second, third, fourth, fifth. Oh my God, I'm almost done with this. Can you see? This is yummy. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl.